Standard 2nd, English, chapter number 11, One Sunday. Continue from textbook exercise, page number 109. From the story, oral it is given, read the lesson aloud. Why did Tom paint only a small part of the fence? So, answer will come. Tom painted only a small part of the fence because it was a large fence and he wanted to get rid of that work. Again I am repeating. Tom painted only a small part of the fence because it was a large fence and he wanted to get rid of that work. Second number, explain in your own words how Tom got the apple, marble and kite. So Tom was a clever boy. He made his friend think that painting the wall is fun. So they offered their things to let them paint for the fence. Thus, Tom got an apple, many marbles and a kite. Now I will show you answer of these two questions. This is answer 1 and this is answer 2. So I am keeping this steady so you can able to read this. Multiple choice question. Take the correct answer in each. Who said the following? I am going for a swim, but you can't join me. Who is speaking this sentence? Tom, Ben or Aunt Polly? Ben is telling. Ben, who is Ben? Ben is Tom's friend. You have worked hard. Who is speaking this sentence? Ben, Aunt Polly or boys? Aunt Polly is speaking this, that you have worked hard. Number 2, why did Tom say, I must think of a way to get out of this? Tom was happy. Tom wanted to eat an apple. Or Tom did not like working on a Sunday. So answer will come C. Tom did not like working on Sunday. Number 3, Tom was a clever boy. Why do you think so? He helped other people in their work. He made other people think painting the wall was fun. Or he got an apple, some marbles and a kite. Answer B will come. He made other people think painting the wall was fun is the correct answer. Now, read and answer. What did Aunt Polly ask Tom to do? Answer. Aunt Polly asked Tom to paint the fence. Again I am repeating. Aunt Polly asked. Here ask is written, so after that you have to add ed. So Aunt Polly asked Tom to paint the fence. Second number, who was Ben Roger? Answer. Ben Roger was Tom's friend. Again I am repeating. Ben Roger was Tom's friend. Number 3, what did the boys want to give Tom? So answer will come. The boys wanted to give some marbles and a kite to Tom. Again I am repeating. The boys wanted to give some marbles and a kite to Tom. Number 4, match correctly. Tom had, answer will come, to paint the fence. Ben had an apple. The two boys had some marbles and a kite. Aunt Polly gave Tom a reward. Now I will show you answer key of 1, 2 and 3 question number, means read and answer. First, second and third number answer I am showing you. So right now I had done pronunciation, means I have dictated all the answer. Now I am showing you answers 1, 2, 3 and 4 of read and answer. So from here you can write answer in your notebook. Think and answer. Why did Ben want to give Tom his apple? Again I am repeating. Why did Ben want to give Tom his apple? Answer. Ben wanted to give Tom his apple because he thought painting the fence is so much fun. Again I am repeating. Ben wanted to give Tom his apple because he thought painting the fence is so much fun. Is the first number answer. Now I am speaking question number 2 and afterwards I will speak answer also of this question. Why did the boys wanted to paint the fence? So answer will come. The boys thought painting the fence is fun. So they wanted to paint the fence. Again I am repeating answer. The boys thought painting the fence is fun. So they wanted to paint the fence. Number third, your friend forget to bring his or her pencil. You have two pencils. What do? Give him or her your pencil. Tell him or her that you have only one pencil. Or C, be rude to him or her. Or D, tell the teacher. So what answer will come? Give him or her your pencil. Why? Because you have two pencils, right? So answer will come A. Now I will show you answer key of think and answer. First, second, third number. So here think and answer first, second and third number answer it is here. So I hope that you can able to see this clearly. And remaining exercise of this chapter I will show you in the next video.